More than 30 years ago, a work was composed which defined a new state of the art. It explored the possibilities of technical ingenuity, leaving a powerful, unprecedented, and unforgettable impression on the mind, on the heart, on the road. With this opus, we have redefined the boundaries. With feeling. With power. With technical prowess. The new 911 Turbo. Virtuoso performance requires perfect timing and absolute precision. The six-cylinder boxer engine in the new 911 Turbo is a technical tour de force. The 3.6-liter unit develops 353 kilowatts. That's 480 brake horsepower. That's 6,000 RPM. Weighing just 1,585 kilos, that's a power-to-weight ratio of 303 brake horsepower per ton. Equally impressive is the car's exceptional power output per unit of engine capacity. At the heart of the engine is VarioCam Plus, which combines variable timing and two-stage lift on each inlet valve. The resulting benefits include greater power and torque at all engine speeds, plus smoother running, excellent fuel economy, and extremely low emissions. The new 911 Turbo is the first ever Porsche to feature turbocharger units with variable turbine geometry. Exhaust gas is channeled directly onto the turbine blades with the aid of electronically adjustable guide vanes. By varying the vane angle relative to the blades, it is possible to alter the speed of the exhaust gas flow and thus modify the force on the turbine. At lower engine speeds, the relatively slow-moving stream is angled directly onto the turbine blades, producing a much higher speed of rotation. The resulting boost pressure brings a greater quantity of oxygen into the combustion chambers, which in turn produces higher levels of torque. Maximum torque output is reached at a much lower engine speed and remains consistently high as the car continues to accelerate. 620 Newton meters are available between 1950 and 5,000 RPM. The result, immediate response to throttle inputs with emphatic acceleration. To match this level of output, the 6-speed manual gearbox has been completely redesigned. Alternatively, the car is also available with optional 5-speed Tiptronic S. For the first time ever, this automatic transmission offers faster acceleration than the 6-speed manual gearbox. The benchmark sprint to 100 kilometers per hour requires just 3.7 seconds. That's 0.2 seconds quicker than with a standard manually equipped car. Every great work embraces many different forces. The art is uniting them in harmony. Applying the enormous power of the engine to the road requires another major innovation. All-wheel drive featuring Porsche Traction Management, PTM. Torque is shared between the front and rear axles using an electronically controlled multi-plate clutch. Since PTM provides active control, drive is applied precisely where it is needed in every road scenario. When cornering, for example, front-end torque is significantly reduced to enhance the steering response. The resulting dynamics are virtually identical with those of a rear-wheel drive car. Under full acceleration, torque is evenly distributed, ensuring maximum traction from all four wheels. In the wet or on snow, the resulting benefits are even greater active safety. The new 911 Turbo is equipped as standard with Porsche Active Suspension Management, PASM. This electrically controlled system provides continuous adjustment of individual damping forces based on current road conditions and driving style. In critical road scenarios, the driver is assisted by a new evolution of Porsche Stability Management, PSM. Important benefits of this standard driver aid include optimum traction under full acceleration on variable grip surfaces, as well as shorter braking distances. For even greater performance, the car can be equipped with the optional Sport Chrono Package Turbo. This integrated system provides simultaneous enhancement of engine, chassis, and optional Tiptronic S. When Sport mode is selected, the engine becomes more responsive. An overboost function provides as much as 60 Newton-meters of additional torque under full acceleration, bringing maximum output to 680 Newton-meters. Other modified systems include PASM, which also switches to Sport mode. Tiptronic S adopts a more positive gear shift action. PSM inputs are significantly reduced, and the electronically controlled all-wheel drive system has a greater rear axle bias. Combined, the result is a more dynamic and rewarding drive. The most powerful passage in any composition is rendered greater by the silence that follows. At Porsche, high performance is only conceivable with equally high standards of safety. On the new 911 Turbo, this philosophy is expressed in one of the most powerful braking systems in the world. The standard brake system on the new 911 Turbo combines 6-piston monoblock aluminum fixed calipers at the front with 4-piston units at the rear. One-piece calipers offer greater inherent strength, better bite characteristics under heavy braking, as well as a further reduction in unsprung weight.